We're on. What is that? Straight away, pays to move spot. I think this is a little brim off them. Oh, it's fun like a brim. Yeah, good brim. Nice. Alright, welcome back. Episode 2, fishing under the Narrows. Today we're going to be fishing primarily with the Atomic Hardz Crank 38. There she's there, that's a rock crab version. I've got a few different colours. Basically just going to fan cast our way down. All the way down there. Got a low tide, not much run. See what we can pick up. If we don't get anything, we might change to a different lure like a Daiwa spike. I really want to try that. But seeing it's such a low tide, yeah, I don't know what's going to happen. Let's find out. Alright, first cast. Got a little bit of S factor on there. See the hook's just sticking to it. Hopefully we don't get stuck in this tide, eh? Just a slow retrieve back. If I feel it hit something on the floor, I'm just going to kind of let it float up. Hopefully roll off the snag. Looks like we've got an incoming tide here. What's this look like on the water? Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Don't know if this is the right colour, but what I picked up from Anaconda from the bargain bin. It's $11. So if I lose it, doesn't really matter that much. I actually picked up 6 or 7 lures from Facebook Marketplace the other day. $60. Whole bunch of good stuff in there. There's like a Daiwa Kadachi, rolling crank, it's an Atomic, it's a Pro lure, whole bunch of shit in there. It was great. $60, I couldn't believe it. But some of the hooks look a bit rusty, but the actual hard bodies look fine. They look barely used. Lost many a lure under this bridge here. So when I feel it hit a rock, I'm just letting it, pausing it, let it float above it. Should we go? So we've got a low tide, we might actually put this one on. Oh, that's a chubby. What should we do for a low tide? What should we do? They're all deeps. I did have a Daiwa Sazanami. Is this bad boy? Is it a Daiwa Sazanami? Never used one of these. Basically looks like a double clutch, to be honest, except it's really shallow. I don't know why they brought out a shallow diving double clutch, the SR or something. We'll try this. Let's put this on. So we have the Daiwa Tsunami 60, something like that. A bit of S factor on it. What we'll do, we're going to cast in here where we'll just cast in. We'll see if the change of lure makes any difference. Good little test. I really don't know the difference between these and a double clutch, besides the shallow form factor. It's kind of weird because You know, the double clutch has a shallow one now, so there's really no need for this product. But this is one of the lures. Oh, it swims pretty nice actually. It swims more like a crankbait than a twitch and a jerkbait. And this is classified as a jerkbait, so weird. But it swims like a rolling clutch. So it does swim a little bit different to a double clutch. It's cool. A cast light one though. Oh yeah, this is one of the lures I picked up for in that $60 pack. So if we lose it, don't really care. And it's more of a shallow dive in, so it's not gonna be hitting the rocks as much. I can't believe I got snagged there. I called it too. I was like, I'm definitely gonna get snagged here. Bang, snagged. It will. We're on. What is that? Straight away. Pays to move spot. I think this is a little brim off them. Oh, it's fun like a brim. Yeah, good brim. Nice. Fat hook brim. There you go. Yeah, mate. Little tacker. Let's straight away move spot on the Tsunami. Tsunami. Little brim. Move spot. Lost the lure. In you get, mate. There's some flags or something that's in across there. Highly doubt there's going to be anything here. But what I'm thinking is, seeing the current's just starting to pump, might make a little bit of a break. Some fish to kind of hide out here. You never know. We're going to swap lure again. We're going to put on a spike, a little Daiwa spike. On a little spike 44 MR. Forgot this colour, I think it's like blueberry Suji or something like that. I'll link it in the comments anyway. See what we've got. It's going to work our way back to the bridge. This will dive a lot deeper. And this is a bit of a controversial or unique lure in the fact that it's a rolling crank, but it also twitches really well. So you can give it a few little twitches. It'll make awesome action in the water. Oh, this rock here. Never really fished this far down, to be honest. So I'm not too sure what the ground looks like. This is just a nice little drop off. Well, there's a drain here. Let's fucking go here. You gotta love the drains. So that normally means there's going to be a little channel in there. Some flatties might be hanging out. A lot of rocks there. Gotta be careful coming off here. Oh, yep, we're on. Yep. Oh, we were on. Yeah, we're on just then. Alright, let's get that back out. It's only small. There's definitely some there. Oh. Someone just followed that in. Fuck off, really? Oh my god. Dude, no. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck happened there? Fuck. Oh my god. How the fuck did that happen? Wow. That was a fucking disaster. What happened there? Holy shit. Oh, we saved the rod. Might have to read all the braid after that. God damn. Where she is. Oh, we still got the lure. Wow. Bit of a disaster in the Swan. What the fuck? What happened there? Bruh. That's fucking dangerous. Might need to get any rod after that. Holy shit. Good excuse to get a rod. My heart sank then when I seen that rod come off. I was like, am I gonna have to go for a swim here? Wasn't planning to get wet this morning. Let's go somewhere else. Some bad juju. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Just one little brim today. I'm just making this video to show you how hard it actually is today. I've gone through 3 different lures. You know, got the one little brim. Thankful for that. But yeah, at least it wasn't a donut day. The last 3 times I've been out, absolute donuts. You know, 2 hours wasted, nothing. Perfect day for it. Just absolutely nothing. So, bring on summer. Woo! Alright, if you like this shit, like and subscribe. Peace.